In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use comment function to communicate with your colleague who are working with this spreadsheet, also in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some data which is called monthly sales data and some profit from monthly. And now we are going to insert a comment in the profit section, which is this. And for inserting a comment, right click of your mouse and then go to insert comment. Now you can see a comment box here. You can add anything what you want to know from your colleague or want to give any kinds of information to your colleague. Suppose we are waiting for an update, so writing waiting. And if you want to customize this comment box, just you need to go to there when for arrow button appear, then click the right button of your mouse. You can see a format comment and then this will appear, and you can easily change the color like this and then press OK. And this is how you can easily use comment in Microsoft Excel to communicate with your colleague or someone else who is working with this spreadsheet also. Hope that you like this video, and thank you.